What was going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, the last video I told you I was going to take you with me to the little car show I went to, so here you go.
Just a cruiser, man.
Man, this thing is nice. That guy's got more toys than we can count. He won. Did you let me know when I find out? Huh? Okay.
Just can't come to these things in one of these, you know. I never drive the Cadillac.
That's because everybody's got one.
I know.
But not everybody's got a blower.
No.
Man, this thing's nice. Oh, you got the chromed out valve covers and everything on this thing.
Nice job putting it together.
Is anything done to it? The engine, or is it just mainly stock?
Oversized injectors. It's one of my favorite cars ever right here.
Me too. But I'm weird. I want a white one with a black top.
Oh, yeah. Don't blame me there.
Oh, this car's a 4-speed too? Oh, God, yes.
No, it's automatic.
Oh, is it?
Yep. Pretty car, man.
It's beautiful, man.
Holy shit! Really? Of all places to find you guys? Dale! No!
That's how it happens. The older we get, the more goes on, right? To tow it off the racetrack. He's got one in the back here too. It's awesome, man. How's the fastest you ever been?
218.
Really? What's going on, buddy?
Did you get that Fox body you were talking about?
The red one? Yes.
Oh, okay.
I got videos on it.
All right.
It's a 93.
All right.
I went down to Ohio and picked it up. And
How much you pick it up for?
well, the guy wanted 18 to start out with. Then I got him down to 15. Hooligan. Find out.
I'm breaking that in right now, but I know a couple times that I have jumped on it where normally you start feeling it shake. It hasn't shook a bit. So good.
Going up to the cloud.
Yep, I was looking at that one.
Who do you think? Wow, this thing's purty.
Where do you get it from? 4 miles from our house. Oh, really? And Schoolcraft. It was in a storage locker. Oh, really? Yeah.
A buddy of mine had one of these just like this. I swear this is the car. What's your buddy's name? Yeah, because he wanted a 55, so. Yeah, you know, he got that burgundy one. Yeah, it literally, I gave him the money, sent me the picture the next day, so 55, so. Yeah. He put an LS3